क्या करेगा एज एन एक्टर और एज अ प्रोड्यूसर इन द फ्यूचर?
देखो, जब मेरी गदर फिल्म आई थी ना, लोग कह रहे थे ये पंजाबी फिल्म है, इसको डब करो।
ट्रू ट्रू।
उसको कोई खरीद भी नहीं रहा था, तो पंजाबी फिल्म है, ये कौन देखेगा? तो आई थिंक बेसिकली फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट वी ऑल आर इंडियंस एंड डेफिनेटली वो पंजाब का हैगा, तो पंजाबी मेरा हर किने कैरेक्टर ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੰਜਾਬੀਪਨ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਨਾਲੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਇੰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਹਰ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਮੇਰਾ ਬੇਟਾ ਹੈ, ਮੇਰਾ ਭਰਾ ਹੈ, बहुत 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 प्यार मिलता है।
थैंक यू सो मच भाजी। एंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर तिलोत्तमा। हाय तिलोत्तमा। तिलोत्तमा, जब भी कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा होता है बॉलीवुड की तरफ से या ग्लोबल सिनेमा की तरफ से, तो बहुत सारी इंस्पिरेशन देखने को मिलती है फ्रॉम ग्लोबल सिनेमा और फ्रॉम द बॉलीवुड। आपकी नजर में कौन ऐसा इंस्पायरिंग कैरेक्टर है फ्रॉम एनी कोर्ट रूम ड्रामा अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड?
You know, there are many courtroom dramas, 12 Angry Men, a film that I love, and there are many like that. But I don't like to watch another film as a reference or an inspiration for a film I'm doing, because then you start wanting to imitate. And because we are human beings, our brains are like sponge, na? Like आप एक sponge को पानी में रखोगे, वो तो पानी खींच ही लेगा. So I prefer not watching. And for this film, the inspiration was the script, my director, my co-actors. But I love the genre of courtroom drama, and I think, yeah. Thank you.
The family emotion needs to stay alive. How important is that? To keep the family emotions alive for...
You're an actor, so you know that, we have a process of identifying either a word or a line that anchors the part that we're playing. And that doesn't change. In any room or in any character. That is what brings, it just, it's that steady presence and force. It was very interesting for me because my first day of shoot was with Akshay, and he is a powerhouse performer. I'm in awe of him, and it's a very tough scene, and it flew. It just went like that, and it's one of those rare moments where you're like, kya maza aaya yaar. But it was like playing cricket. And it was just so nice to also see appreciation in him for what he was receiving in the scene. Because he may have thought that I'd come into it in a certain way. And then he was surprised with what was happening. So it was fun. With Sunny sir, because I think there is so much history as an audience, I was very overawed. I was really overawed by him, and I was terrified. I was shaking like a leaf. आपको पता नहीं है ये, मैं बड़ी cool लग रही थी, पर मैं बैठी थी ना, इसलिए आपको दिख नहीं रहा था. मैं बहुत डरी हुई थी. और पहला सीन गाड़ी के अंदर बैठा दिया दोनों को. और उस गाड़ी के सीन में इतनी हिस्ट्री नजर आनी थी हम दोनों के दरमियान, जो वर्कशॉप से आता है, प्रिपरेशन से आता है, और हमने कुछ नहीं किया. हमारी मुलाकात भी नहीं हुई थी. This is the first time I was meeting him in person, and it's the first scene that had to deliver layers of life lived and shared with this human being. But it just happened. He is the kindest, the nicest, the most open human being to work with. He just embraces you. And मैं इनको फ्लैटर करने के लिए नहीं कह रही हूँ, ये हकीकत है, आपको दिखता है, लेकिन ये जो एहसास करवाते हैं अपने हम साथियों को या सबको, but most importantly the people that he's working with also, like as an actor, I didn't feel a moment of hesitation. You remember that one scene where I had to just check them out. She brings the real Tilottama wherever she goes. You can't miss it. Mantra.
Tilly, this is amazing. Okay, sir, Sunny sir, हिम्मत नहीं हो रही लेकिन फिर भी बोल देता हूँ. चार्ज है कि आपके घर का खाना इतना फेमस है कि देओल फैमिली में मीटिंग्स का डिनर प्लान ज्यादा बनते हैं. Should we take this matter to court?
फैन से पूछता हूँ, क्या लगता है आपको? क्या करना चाहिए? कोर्ट में ले जाना चाहिए कि सबको खाना अच्छी तरह से खिलाना चाहिए?
सबको खाना है कि नहीं खाना है किसी दिन? But
अरे घर पे लोग खाना खाने आते नहीं है, घर पे लोग मिलने आते हैं, मिलने आते हैं तो खाना ऑटोमेटिकली
बहुत चर्चे हैं आपके डिनर प्लान्स के एंड योर फैमिली के फूड लव के बारे में, but we'll speak about that some other day also. Dear ma'am, आप a bit more about that, how you chose this.
First, tell me, am I going to get into a lot of trouble for slapping Akshay Khanna on screen? I am very scared.
Ma'am, वो
Because he has a phenomenal fan following. I am terrified. I was like, हाय रे, ये तो ट्रेलर में डाल दिया, मुझे बहुत मुश्किल होने वाली है.
And that was the first scene she shot with him.
Yeah, and imagine the first scene I have shot for the film is that scene with Akshay Khanna.
बहुत जोर से आवाज आई, मैम को पता नहीं साउंड इफेक्ट है कि रियल है, लेकिन बहुत जोर से आवाज आई है.
खैर उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे. We would like for people to be convinced that it is true. है ना sir? You know, when Tilly said it's taken her 25 years, I just realized this is my 25th year as well. And she's so damn right. Some days feel like the last 25 years have been preparation for the parts that we are playing today. And I feel so much immense gratitude for platforms like Netflix, for democratizing a system, for giving artists dignity, for giving us platform and voice and strength, for telling stories that, you know, entertain, engage, but also matter. And I think Ikka is going to be a ride. It's a very enjoyable, interesting film that has the, you know, the language that people are familiar with and enjoy, but it also has an integrity that really roots it into the emotion of the characters. And Daria, who is playing our daughter in the film, is magic. We had cast her in a short film called Asmani.
Thanks to Dia. Dia actually showed
And
me.
when I read the script, I said, you have to audition this child. She is beautiful. And you will see her magic when you watch the movie. I have goosebumps. And I think, yeah, I think there's a truth and an integrity that all of us are able to bring to the story, which is what makes it very, very genuine and relatable and enjoyable.
Yeah, and I'll take back something from this. When you mentioned कि 25 साल में जितना कुछ किया तो उसके टुकड़ों को बुना के ही this character बनाया, something that you have.
वो हमेशा होता है ना.
It's been amazing.
Yeah.
What a way to think and approach your art also. Tilly, of course, Tilotoma, we've always, apart from me knowing you personally, we've also, as your viewers have known, that the choice of